Each swimming pool is unique, and maintaining it can quickly become complex to manage. That's why we designed the e.Dro Smart Electrical Box. Zero effort, zero limits thanks to 100% secure radio network technology, and above all, zero equivalent on the market. In a few words, the autonomous pilot of the entire swimming pool ecosystem. Like a conductor, the intelligent electrical box, e.Dro, sets the tone so that all the equipment interacts with each other without any false notes. Lighting, filtration, heating, cover, swimming and hydrotherapy, maintenance, as well as water measurement and treatment. With e.Dro, the pool ecosystem is transformed. Easily connect each piece of equipment to the relay box or radio socket. Benefit from guaranteed compatibility with all equipment on the market. And with e.Dro, optimize your consumption of water, electricity, and treatment products. All thanks to a tailor-made installation for all pool configurations, whether you are building or renovating. Configure the perfect e.Dro box for you using our online configurator, and start managing your pool at your fingertips with a single application, AquaConnect.